Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. Today's recipe is local bakery frosting. So this frosting doesn't require any butter or any whipping cream, also no coconut milk, and this is very yummy, and this is the only recipe which the famous bakers such as Alpha and also Bangalore Iyengar bakers use. So this is very fruity and also very yummy, and the main good thing about this is that it doesn't get melted, and also we can store it outside the fridge for 3 to 4 months. And the great thing about this is the bakers, they use vanaspati ghee, which is also known as animal or vegetable shortening, which is not that good for health. But today I'm going to show you how to make a healthier version using cow ghee. So you can see the video how it is holding its shape. So it's really very yummy, guys, trust me. We are going to make it at home without any machine blender or without any hand mixer, just using a normal whisk. So in a normal vessel I've added 1 cup of cow ghee and I'm going to freeze it. So after freezing it, you can see everything is frozen. I'm going to scoop everything little by little so that it will be easy for me to mix. So just try to crush everything using your whisk, and you can take the help of spatula to scrape out everything. So mix everything again and again till it becomes light pale in color. You can see here it started to become pale, and also it's becoming a little bit of fluffy in nature. You can see how pale it has become now. So now you need to start adding your sugar, in which here it is 1.5 cups or just 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Make sure that your sugar is super fine and just add little by little till it is halfly done. Add 1 spoon at a time and just mix till it is halfly done. When it is halfway done, add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can also use orange juice, that's up to you. And then again continue with the process. Add a teaspoon of sugar at a time. Again mix everything till it is totally done. You can see here at the end you need to add half teaspoon of mixed fruit essence. This is the only secret ingredient to get that fruity taste in that frosting. So mix everything again and again, and here you go, your frosting is ready to use. You can use it in normal dry cakes, or you can use it in cream puffs, or as normal chocolate cake, and also you can just have it by adding into your bread and eat in the breakfast. So thanks guys for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Also definitely try it at home. It doesn't require any much things, and also you can see how tempting it looks. So make sure that you check my other videos, subscribe my channel, and till then, goodbye.